going to show you how to make a Lego walk using stop motion animation. Here is the walk. I'm going to show you how we did it. Okay, put him down in the position you want to start and snap a picture. Take the first leg, move it here, snap a picture. Fasten down that leg and raise the other leg, snap a picture. Raise the other leg to this position, snap a picture. Snap down that leg and raise the first leg again, snap a picture. Here it is at normal speed. It's a little bit fast. We slowed it down to half speed here, and you see it's a little better. We're going to add a couple more seconds to it. Oh, that looks even better. I like that one. We'll show you our equipment here. Here's our cameras. That's my video camera. It has snapshots, so it takes good photos. We use it most of the time. There's my still camera. It works good. I kind of like the video camera though. There you can see my lights. Those come from any hardware store. There's my diffuser box. Kind of diffuses lights. You don't get the real harsh lights on it. There's the other light. Here's my video camera. Has a snapshot on it. I use it most of the time. Sitting on my tripod. There's the Lego we used in this video. Alright, now you know how to do it. Make some videos and have some fun.